Good morning! Today, Mayli is taking me to Park São Lourenço. So, let's meet her. She's waiting in her house with her bike, her mountain bike, and I'm going with my Brompton. Stay tuned! Curitiba is full of little slopes, and in this place here we have, did you see a Fusca? Oh, I don't see the car for a long time. This is a bike line in a beautiful road, but it's a little slope. Let's go up. Check those trees, beautiful. And we're going up. It's around 9. And we are almost there in Mayli's house. We started the day with cleaning Mayli's shoes. She went to get her bike and her dog just went to the bathroom. Just notice. We had to clean it, right? Wow, that's the German Bosque. That's cool. So, there's a trail that tells all the story of João e Maria, from Brothers Grimm. Look how cool! Up there, there's the house of the witch, and you make an appointment, and after you see all the story, you come here. It's a library, and the witch tells you the story. So cool. You have to go all the way up to see this beautiful view. We came by bicycle, and there is João and Maria's house. I like the story, João and Maria. I don't know, maybe because of the house of candies. Not now. Now I don't like too much candy, but when I was a kid, oh, I love it. Is local here, so she's taking me inside of the University of Mayumbi. I would never come here by myself. That's cool. We are in another forest. I love those boardwalks. It reminds me Costa Rica have great boardwalks. It feels like you're in the jungle. Is that cool? Ah, come on! Seriously? Wow! I would never think that we can find this here. Look at it. Wow! Pois é. That's cool. Wow! I'm stoked. this was an old stone retract firm. I'm sorry, I can look for the translation. They used to take stones out of here, out of the waterfall that I show you, and out of and the opera. The opera house is also an old stone place. Beautiful, right? I would never find this out by myself. You have to be with the local. Thanks, Melee. Sorry, I just ate some protein bar. Bye bye, beautiful park. Now we're going to Parque São Lourenço. Let's go. I like these boardwalks. They're great for nature because you don't bother nature. They pass underneath when there's animals, and you can still be in it. Is that cool? So, before we went to the next park, Meili took me to a very special place. This bike store, it's from America. This guy, yes, he's an icon, a bike icon in Curitiba. And he kindly told us how the simple boy came all the way from Manaus, it's all the way up north, to Curitiba, all the way south. That's him. That's cool. And then he gave us a tour to his beautiful bike shop. It's huge. You cannot see how big it is from outside. Wow, it's huge. Wow. Olha o tamanho, cara. Fantástico. He invited us for a cup of coffee and a nice chat, which saved us from a heavy rain. It started raining very hard, so he told us that he's gonna take us home because it's raining. Maid's gonna leave her bicycle here, and I'm gonna fold mine and take it. Oh, look at it! Wow, that's a strong one.
Foi providencial ter parado aqui.
Foi.
A gente ia tomar banho nele. Caramba, o que aconteceu?
He's offering water, restroom.
America is a very nice person, and he was saying that now he's known in Curitiba, but in the beginning his store was in another location and there was no riders at all. In the morning there was one rider, in the afternoon there was another rider, and now the store is always packed, and they even have a special program to teach new riders how to ride a bike and enjoy life.